In this video, I'll show you how to create a stunning portfolio using Canva's templates. Start by opening Canva and typing portfolio in the search bar. Browse through the professionally designed templates and select one that matches your style. Click the Customize button to begin editing. Double-click any text box to update it with your personal information and descriptions. Upload your work samples by clicking the Upload button in the left panel. Simply drag and drop your images onto the template image to replace. Customize the background color to suit your personal brand. For more design tips, subscribe to this channel.